Hi, I'm Boris from Planet Retail in Germany. I was here to speak about some global economic and demographic and retail trends that are going to shape the face of retailing. And I know, many franchisees in Brazil probably think that, well, all I want to do is do business in Brazil. Yes, and it's not interesting for me what happens in the world, but yes, it's very interesting. We believe some things are going on in the world that are massively going to change the way retail happens in Brazil. For example, one is the economic crisis in Europe, then one is demographic change, and then there's the internet rising as well. So the economic crisis means that hypermarkets in Europe and the US are losing all their non-food sales. The hypermarket is dying, yes? And the hypermarket is also dying because the internet is getting big, so people are buying more non-food items online. And then demographic change is also happening, so the societies are getting a lot older, and that is probably the biggest change of all. The short story is that today in Europe half of the population works, and the other half of the population is sustained by the working population. In 50 years' time, only a third of Europe's population will work and will have to pay for the other two-thirds. That means taxes will be very high, everyone will have less money, pensions will be very low, and all of that means that the hypermarket is going to die in Europe. And that means the big retailers there, Carrefour, Tesco, Metro, they are having to change their store portfolios. They are having to move from big box outlets to smaller convenience stores, and that is so expensive that they cannot expand into emerging markets very aggressively currently. So for the next 10 years, we're not going to see many more market entries into emerging markets from hypermarkets. And that's very important for franchise businesses in Brazil, because if you have a little clothing store and electronic stores, then hypermarkets are very terrible competitors for you with their huge clothing and electronics departments. So for the next 10 years, Brazilian franchise companies have the opportunity to make their business better, to become more efficient, more price competitive, to take market share and grow. And then in 10 years' time, when globalization starts again, foreign hypermarket operators will have a very hard, difficult time in Brazil. However, if franchise businesses in Brazil don't act now and let things continue as before and keep passing on inflation to consumers, etc., then they will be in utter danger when the hypermarkets are back.